Okay, we are here in the stand of Intesis, Light Building 2018. I see they have a very nice stand here in the Light Building, and can you explain us a little bit more about your stand?
Yes, sure. We are exhibiting here our new IntesisBox products. It's a family of gateways for both HVAC integration and also integration of other systems, open protocols like DALI for lighting, MBus for metering, KNX, BACnet, Modbus, and the whole range.
Very good, great. So we will have now a detailed look to all of the products in the different stand. Well, not detailed, but overview of the products. And thanks a lot for the presentation.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Okay, so here we are in the panel. Can you explain us what we have here?
Yes, this is our new IntesisBox generation. We call it V6 generation, and it's a new hardware platform where we port all our protocols into to create new gateways.
Okay, so what protocols can you control with this?
So we control all major protocols in the building automation space, like for example KNX. Here we have we can import KNX projects from ETS tool and then use all those group addresses that have been defined in our config tool. Then for BACnet, here we have BTL certification in our gateways, and we support both BACnet IP and serial MSTP. We also support advanced features like notification classes, trend logs, calendars, and so on. And we have a BTL listing from this product. On Modbus, we support both Modbus TCP and Modbus RTU in the same product. With MBus, we have integrated a level converter, so we don't need an additional external one, and then therefore the solution is more cost-effective. So with DALI, we are supporting currently DALI 2.0 specification with all the new features that the standard brings, like emergency lighting, fluorescent lighting, and so on. LoanWorks is, we are porting LoanWorks to this new generation. It's on our scope for the future. ASCII gateways, we use them for connection with serial ASCII controllers, like it could be a Creston system, DMX, AMX, or Control 4, for example. And Enocean is the wireless standard that we support for building automation.
Great. So as you can see, the IntesisBox has a lot of different protocols, a lot of different ways to communicate. And as I understood, this is the new hardware which you can use for all these protocols?
Yes, all these protocols are ported to this new hardware, which is UL certified. And it's the same box for all combinations. So the user has a more attractive user experience with the same look and feel. And also we have a config tool we call Maps, common for this generation.
Great. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you.
So here we have our 3 examples for our new generation of gateways. In this case, we have a gateway from Modbus to KNX. So we are a Modbus master on both RTU and TCP into KNX system. The next example is another gateway to read MBus data from a meter and pass it onto a BACnet system. And the third gateway we have here, it's a DALI master, can control 1 or 2 DALI channels up to a Modbus system.
Okay, so here we are at a very interesting panel. This is very, very interesting for KNX, so maybe you can say a couple of words of this.
Yes, here we have all our AC interfaces to integrate HVAC air conditioners into different control standards. So here we have our BACnet AC interfaces to integrate an AC unit into a BACnet network, either with IP connection or MSTP connection. Then we have our AC interfaces for KNX, where we have a brand-specific gateway for each AC brand, or a universal gateway that communicates with infrared to the AC unit and KNX on the other side. Here we also have our Modbus gateways that have a serial Modbus interface, so they are slaves to a Modbus control system. Our Enocean gateways that are used for communicate with a wireless Enocean network. And also on the wireless side, we have the Wi-Fi gateways. They are also either brand specific, so for each brand there is another version, or universal with the infrared controller, and they communicate Wi-Fi in the wireless network.
Okay, thanks a lot for your great explanation here. I'm sure you will have a lot of new customers, and I hope that the fair brings good luck to you.
Yeah, thanks for coming, and it was a pleasure.
Okay, great.